Okay, we are going to now create a chart in Pages. So I opened up a blank Pages document, and I'm going to go right over to Chart. I could do a two-dimensional chart, three-dimensional chart, interactive charts. I'm going to go with a 3D, and in Pages this is called a column bar graph. Okay, I have these axes swivel. I can swivel the graph around and play around with that. Pretty cool. Okay, right now we're going to edit the chart data. So I'm going to click on Edit Chart Data. And just like before, we're going to do a very simple chart like we did with the table. We're going to do favorite colors. So we're going to do red, and we'll do blue, and we'll do green. Okay, and I don't need this table, so I'm going to highlight, and I'm just going to click Cut, and that is gone. And instead of region 1, I want this to say boys. Region 2 will say girls. And let's change the numbers. So I'm picking random numbers. I'll make that 7, 4, 6, 2, 9, 6. Just random colors. When I have everything in there, I'm going to click the X, and now I have my table. Okay, I want a title, so I'm just going to call it, and click on there, our favorite colors. Okay, make sure that's on there. And you have your legend, which is here. When I go into axis, if I want to label my axis, I'm in y-axis, I'm going to click axis name. Okay, and over here, when I click on that, we're going to put numbers of students that like those colors. Okay. And if I click on the X, color choices. So now we have a title, axes are labeled, good to go. Okay. If I want to change the color of the bars, if I click on the bar and I go to style, I can drop this down and I can pick a color. So I'm going to make the girls orange because there's no orange in the graph, and I'm going to make the boys purple. And that's really it. I have different bars. Okay, I have a bar graph, they're not touching. My data, titles, labels. If I go back to chart, let's say if I want to make the gaps between the columns bigger, I may do that. Between the sets, I can make them kind of further apart. And lastly, if I want to change, if I do this and I say, you know what, I don't like it that way. I want it, instead of vertical, I want them horizontal. With a click of that, the colors go back, but I could change the way the data is reflected. And that's it.